Welcome along to another edition of BalloonTube with myself, Graham Lee, and this is a little advert really, just to tell you a couple of things. I do run the balloon forum, which is balloonchat.co.uk. Over there's over 120 step-by-step tutorials if you'd like to have a look. We've got all the tutorials up on BalloonTube to have a look at. And if you are in the UK and would like to purchase some balloons, we do have an online shop, which is balloonartwholesale.co.uk. Hopefully that'll be coming up here, and hopefully Balloon Chat's come up as well for the details there. And if you would like to support us a little bit, that would be very much appreciated to keep the BalloonTube running, and also to keep Balloon Chat online as well. And so I've signed up to buy me a coffee /myballoonart. And there you can, if you wish, buy us a coffee or two, and it helps us to keep the tutorials going. So that's the end of the advert, and here we go with the main feature for this month. So it's bye from me, cheerio, here comes the main feature. Quick Graham, get out of it, bye. Welcome along to another edition of, yes, you've guessed it, BalloonTube. And today we're going to show you the digger. Here it is. This is a 4 balloon digger. I'm going to explain it with the the wheels on the track. They're not wheels on the track, I know, but with a little bit more detail. But you could, if you wanted to, just make it like this one, where you just take the 160 over the top and underneath, you know, so if you want it to be a little bit quicker. So I'm going to show you both versions. All right, so you start off with a yellow 260 and leave 6 fingers uninflated. All right, you need a 6-finger bubble, and oh, if you could hit the subscribe button or tell a few friends about BalloonTube, that would be very much appreciated. You now need a 2-finger bubble, twist this one to this one, so pull it away as you do that, just to take the pressure off. A 4-finger bubble, yeah, 4-finger bubble, twist that around, another 6-finger bubble, and another 2-finger bubble for a pinch twist. This one will go this one, and you then need another 4-finger bubble, and another 2-finger pinch twist. So these two are going to go together. I'll slow down a bit in case you want to catch up with me, because I was going a bit fast there, wasn't I? Okay. The knot of the balloon, wrap that around the pinch twist a couple of times, and underneath, make sure it's nicely wrapped around there, and then I like to cut off the excess of that balloon. There you go, see? I use my scissors, I don't really use my teeth. Right, we're now going to make an X on the top of the digger, so you need 2 4-finger bubbles. There's 2 4-finger bubbles, and you're going to attach the second 4-finger bubble diagonally over to this side. Right, so go there. So the first 4-finger twist there is going to be the centre of the X, and I've just noticed that that was a 5-finger, probably the second one. So I've gone back to 2 4-fingers. That goes diagonally across. You then need a 4-finger bubble here again, across to the other pinch twist at the back. And then the next 4-finger bubble, and this twist is going to go into the centre where the X is, so I'll push that underneath and go over the top, and I'll push it underneath again. Let's secure that, and then you need one more 4-finger bubble, alright, and that goes to the other pinch twist. So underneath you should have your rectangle shape, and on the top you should have your X, alright. And get rid of the excess on that balloon, and I'm just going to wrap it around a couple of times until it's going to come undone. So we end up like this. Right, you now need a black 160, and you need about 8 fingers uninflated. Alright, and we tie this to the back where there's 2 4-finger bubbles going across. So it flew off and it stuck to the wall. Always hold on to your balloons in case. Right. Now then, you need about 4 about 1.5-finger bubbles, right? And make sure you twist that about 6 times so it doesn't come undone. Yeah, let's do 4 of these and I'll show you. Oh, there we go. Right, so you've got 4 1.5 finger bubbles there. And now we're going to do a pinch twist. So squeeze the air along, and you want to, again, probably another 1.5 finger bubble, pinch twist that. And this pinch twist is going to go around the yellow pinch twist. Alright, so bring that round now. Wrap it around. And I like to have that pinch twist at the front. It makes it look like the tracks are going over the top, doesn't it? If you didn't have that, you know, I mean, it would be quicker to make it, so perhaps you don't want to put that on in, but I just think it adds to the design. Now you want 4 1.5 finger bubbles again. And then that goes to the back pinch twist, where you originally connected it. There we go. So, let's show you, there's your 4 1.5 finger bubbles. Go around the back pinch twist. There we go. So it should end up looking like this, you see. And I always prefer just to have this one at the front, because it just looks like it's going around, you see. So then you squeeze the air along, and you do a 4 finger bubble to the other pinch twist on the other side. And then you need 4 1.5 finger bubbles to the other side. There we go, 4 of these. And then, oh, that one's a little bit bigger, similar size. 4 1.5 finger bubbles, squeeze the air, and you need another 1.5 finger bubble. You're going to pinch twist, I hold it like this one goes to this one. Alright, and then I put that against the pinch twist there, and I wrap the 160 black around. Alright, so that will just hold it into place. And just slightly adjust it. And you need 4 1.5 finger bubbles for the top section, and go back to the pinch twist. There we go. So you've got 4 1.5 finger bubbles, that goes back there. And then, you usually, and they're okay on this time, the end of the balloon, you want to keep, alright, oh, I used my teeth. You need a 4 finger bubble here, so squeeze the air to the end. Let me get the air to the end, and about that. Hang on, let's have that 4 finger bubble. That's a little bit too big, I think. There you go. We'll go with that. And I don't tie the knot right at the end. Let me just, I've got to make it a little bit looser. That's it. Right, and I'll put that down. Let me just wrap the 160 around. Done. Right, so we end up with 4 finger bubbles at the top and bottom on both sides, and you get the 4 finger bubble at the back. Right. So you end up with a 4 finger bubble, and the knot, there is a bit of a gap there. So squeeze the air to the end, you make a 2 finger bubble, alright, and then the 2 finger bubble at the other side, you turn into 1 finger, 2 1 finger pinch twists. Alright, so 2 1 finger pinch twists, the knot goes around the second one, take the knot over the top, and you end up, this is going to be the steering wheel. So you then take make sure you've got a nice lot of excess there, and that goes underneath the X. And take that underneath the X, grab hold of it, and pull it around the 2 pinch twists a couple of times, line it up, and I always have the steering wheel. No, it's not a steering wheel, is it actually, for a digger? But it goes towards the back where you've got the black 160 going across. Alright, so it just sits like that. Now then, you need, for the cab, you need a 160, and I've got about 3 fingers uninflated. Alright, the knot goes around the back section. Wrap that round. We're going to do a 5 finger bubble, just tighten the knot up there. So you need a 5 finger bubble, you now need a 4 finger bubble, I'll put that under my arm, we'll need another 5 finger bubble, that's it, and another 4 finger bubble, there we go. Right, so you've got a 5 finger, 4 finger, oh that 5 finger looks a bit big, doesn't it? I'm going to undo that. And make it, there we go, a 5 finger bubble and another 4 finger bubble, there we go, that might be better, right, so it's a 5 4 5 4, alright, And this four finger bubble here, this one here, is going to go under the X and come out the other side. Alright, so get hold of that, push that through, bring it out the other side. And so it's this section, this is going to go underneath the digger, this one. Alright, so just pull that all the way through. There we go. So that's one side of your cab. Now you need another 5-finger bubble. I didn't obviously put enough twists in my trucks, did I? I'll just twist that back in, hopefully. There you go. So you need another 5-finger bubble for the other side. A 4-finger bubble. Alright. So we've got a 5 and a 4. And this 4 where I'm holding goes over to this section here. So wrap that through there. And then it comes back over to this side again with another 4-finger bubble. And wrap that through. And I always wrap this one through twice just to make sure that it's going to be nice and secure. Right. Now you need another 4-finger bubble. And for the back of the cab, I always do a 3-finger. I always make it a little bit smaller. I don't really know why, but I always have done. So that's a 4 there and a 3 there. That 3 goes over to this side here, underneath. And you want another 3-finger bubble back to this side. And again, I push that through twice. Make sure it's nice and secure. And then you need your last 5-finger bubble. Now I've got a few bridges there, so I'll try and smooth it out a little bit. And you need about 5-finger bubble, which are about there, I think. Hopefully that'll look about right. We'll just put it there and see. No, we'll go a little bit. There we go. Right again. Hold that in place. That's better. And then that one goes around the pinch twist. And deflate that in your favourite method. Now I was tempted to use the teeth, but I'm not going to. I'm going to use my scissors. Right, there we go. And then cut the excess off, make it a little bit tidier if we can. Square this all up. Right, there we go. Now your cab should be looking a little bit like this. And, right, I should be looking something like this. There's a bit wonky there, just straighten them out a bit. Now then, the scoop, for the scoop, you're going to need 6 fingers uninflated, alright, and I do 2 pinch twists, so two 1-finger bubbles, and the knot goes around the second twist, and then the knot goes over the top to give you a 2 pinch twist. Right. You then have a squeezy out, you need a 3-finger bubble, and a 2-finger bubble, a 4-finger bubble. Now you could actually put pinch twists on all these joints, but you then can't get out of the one balloon, so I always double over, so I'll show you how we do it without pinch twists. So, so it's 2 pinch twists to start with. I'm going to show you how to do it without pinch twists, and I'll show you I've got 2 pinch twists, but that's not the bucket, that's the jointed bit. This is the bucket. So, so it's 3-finger bubble, 2-finger bubble, 4-finger bubble, 2-finger bubble, and then another 4-finger bubble. Alright, there we go. Okay, and then this twist goes around this one here. Alright, and that one doesn't quite look like a 4-finger, let me get a little bigger. There we go. Right, so I'll wrap that around a couple of times, and that because we don't want it to come undone. Right, now we're going to do another 2-finger bubble to the front of the scoop. Alright, another 2-finger bubble, and then this I always wrap it around twice. And that way I know it's not going to come undone. So over once, put it through there twice. Right. Now this is the front of the scoop, and because this is a 4-finger, I squeeze the air and I do a 6-finger, and it just puts a little loop like the scoop to pick it up, you see. And again, you put that through twice so it won't come undone. If you can get it through there. So that's once. Twice. You now need another 2-finger bubble to the back of the scoop. squeeze the air, make it a little bit softer. Again, that's got to go through twice. There we go. And then you need another 3-finger bubble back to your pinch twist. There we go. Goes back, that's your 3-finger bubble back to your pinch twist. Wrap that around. And so your front of your scoop looks like this. And normally the digger, the scoop is on coming towards you, isn't it? So I've got it like that. I now do a 4-finger bubble, and I've always found at this point it's better to have 3 pinch twists. So I'll do a 2 1-finger bubbles, and we're going to, oh, that's a little bit bigger, there you go, 2 1-finger bubbles, pinch twist these 2 together, take the balloon over the top, and then we do another, so you've got your 2 pinch twists there, I'll then do another 1-finger bubble, and this twist goes around the 2 pinch twists. There we go. And it gives you more. You can control the shape and what position you want it to be in. And then the last bit is just a 6-finger bubble. A 6-finger bubble, and deflate this in your favourite method. So there you go. Now then, we attach the scoop. Right, it goes through the front X. Right, the 4-finger 160 bubble underneath. It goes underneath there, and it comes out of the back of the X, and it goes down the pinch twist at the on the. It's not the steering wheel, but the what makes out to be the steering wheel. So I'm sure that's clear as mud. So here we go. So that goes through the X there. All right. Grab hold of the excess. Take that through the back of the X section, and then, I don't know if you can see it there, hopefully you can, and then that just comes up and goes down those pinch twists. So back that round those pinch twists a couple of times, and then get your scissors and cut off all that excess. So it's nice and neat, oh hang on, and tidy. Oh, nearly dropped it on the floor. There we go. Right, and then let's have a look. Push that scoop up a little bit. I'm not sure if you can see, the uninflated goes underneath that 4-finger of the cab that we built, and it went through the X. So hopefully you've got that. There you go. And then we do have to straighten this all out a little bit, and turn him around. Oh, right. There we are. So there is our digger. All right. Thanks very much for watching, and I hope it's of use to you. I'll just try to see if he's. Oh well. I'll just sort him out a little bit. There you go. He's not quite square, is he? I want him to be squarish. There you go. Alright, so there we go. Hope it's of use to you, and we might see you again another time on BalloonTube. So it's bye from me, and it's bye from the digger. Alright, have fun. Bye. Cheerio.